Hi everybody, in this video we'll learn a simple way to simplify expressions containing negative indices. So let's use this example here to illustrate. We need to simplify 9 times a squared times b to the power minus 3 divided by 3 times a to the power minus 4 times b squared. So first, let's go through how we normally simplify positive indices first. Say we have expression x to the power 4 divided by x to the power 2. Okay, we can simplify by doing this, cancel out the 4 and the 2, and you have 2 and 0 respectively. And this expression will simplify into x squared. And then similarly, when we have y to the power of 3 divided by y to the power of 5, okay, we can simplify by doing this, cancel out the 3 and 5, and we are left with 0 and 2 respectively. So now we have 1 over y squared after simplification. However, if we were to use this method for expressions here that contain negative indices, it's going to be a little bit more complicated. So I don't recommend doing this. Okay, what we should do instead is something like this. Okay, so first let me just simplify the 9 and the 3 here first. There's a common factor of 3, so we can cancel off. So we're left with 1 in the denominator and 3 in the numerator. Then now we are left with 3a squared times b to the power minus 3 divided by a to the power minus 4 times b squared. Okay, so what I recommend doing is now these terms in the denominator, okay, let's bring it to the numerator first. Okay, so let's do that. So in the numerator, the two terms 3 times a squared times b to the power minus 3 remains unchanged. For a to the power minus 4, if we bring from the denominator to the numerator, it will become a to the power 4. And for the b squared in the denominator, when we bring it to the numerator, it will become b to the power minus 2. Okay, next I will try to group the terms with a together and with b together. So we will get a squared, 3a squared times a to the power 4, and the terms with b would be b to the power minus 3 times b to the power minus 2. Okay. Then subsequently, let's simplify the terms with a first. Because this is like a to the power of 2 multiplied by a to the power of 4, we can rewrite the expression as a to the power of 2 plus 4. And then for the terms with b, because it's b to the power minus 3 multiplied by b to the power minus 2, we can rewrite it as b to the power of minus 3 plus minus 2. Okay, next let's simplify this expression further. So 2 plus 4 we will get 6. So we get 3 times a to the power of 6. And for b, the powers will simplify into minus 5. And then usually for the final answer, we would, by convention, most of the time we need to leave the answers in positive indices. So now this b has a negative index, so b to the power minus 5. So what we can do is we need to bring this to the denominator. And we have 3 times a to the power 6 divided by b to the power 5. Okay, and that will be the answer for this question here. So if you find this video helpful, do consider liking and sharing this video, and do consider subscribing to this channel as well. Drop me a comment to let me know what other content you'd like to see in this channel. See you in the next video.